So the Trump accounts, this is also new. These are accounts you can open for kids, grandkids. They have to be under 18. If they were born in 2025 or through 2028, and you open it during the year, you get an extra $1,000. You can open them for any kid under 18, but it's only the kids born in the current year that get that extra bonus $1,000. Similar in a way to the 529 plans in that anybody can contribute to it. It doesn't have to be the parent. It can be the parents, the grandparents, anybody. You open the account, anybody can contribute to it. But they have to be opened through the tax return right now. There's a form that goes on your tax return to get that extra $1,000. There's going to be a portal, but the portal doesn't start till July of 2026. But if you want to get the extra $1,000 for 2025, you got to put it on the tax return for 2025. But basically what this is it's a little different than the 529 plans in that it becomes an IRA. So you put this money in and it becomes an IRA for this child. So you can put up to $5,000 per year. It grows all the way up till they turn 18 and it becomes an IRA. When they turn 18, they can either take it and it's an IRA. If they use it for school, they have kind of the same rules as using an IRA for education. So there's no penalties if it's used for education, but it would be taxable to them because it is pre-tax money used for education, but there's no penalties. If they keep it and use it as an IRA, they can do that. They can just keep it as an IRA. So even though this has been around for years, I wanted to put this up here just to reference another option for kids, grandkids that some people do or might think of doing is the 529s plans. These have been around for a long time. Some people do them already. These are kind of similar in that anybody can open them. For example, I opened one for my granddaughter. I open it as the account owner. My granddaughter is the beneficiary. I can contribute to it, my daughter can contribute to it, and when my granddaughter goes to college, the money is hers. Now, I did open an MESP, which is the one through the state of Michigan. I get a deduction on my state return up to $10,000. And it's nice now because you can use it for private or secondary school in the state. And once they go to college, they can use it for anything. They can use it for example, my son had one. He got a full scholarship to college, but he could use it for room and board. If you don't use it all now, you can now roll a 529 plan into a Roth. There are a lot of rules. It is a little cumbersome, but you can do it if there's money left over, or you could roll it to another child. But they do grow tax-free while they're sitting there, and as long as they're used for education, they don't have to pay tax on this one. So that was kind of nice. My son had his for a long time, used it all for education, never paid tax on it. But the only break you do get a break on the state of $10,000 a year by putting in these.